What is a deep link?
So deep linking is so if you have an app installed, that someone, basically if you're trying to drive someone into your app that has the app, it automatically opens the app on their computer, or on their phone. So if I have Credit Karma, the app installed, but if I'm searching in Safari and I come across an article or a piece of content that we have in
It'll
the app.
know that you have the app?
Yep, it'll know we have the app and
Oh.
it'll automatically open up.
There's some
And
books
so
in there.
our,
Huh.
obviously revenue, it like drives a lot more revenue and a lot more organic, or just like our, I guess, bounce rate, so to speak. You know, it helps with making sure we keep people within our environment, and the app's usually the best way to do that if your company has an app. You don't always, so obviously it's not suitable for every company, but tech companies usually, you'll find that their app is where they generate most of their revenue. And so getting your users into the app experience is going to be better on mobile. So if you offer that, it's the best mobile experience, and so you'll do so much better for your users, and you'll find that tend to convert better.